Heading: Supply. First point. Supply refers to the quantity of a commodity that producers are willing and able to offer for sale at different prices during a given period of time. Second point. It shows the direct relationship between price and quantity supplied. Heading: Law of supply. First point. The law of supply states that there is a direct relationship between price and quantity supplied. Second point. When price increases, supply increases, and when price decreases, supply decreases, other things remaining constant. Side heading: Supply schedule. First point. A supply schedule is a table that shows different quantities of a commodity supplied at different prices. Second point. It helps to understand the relationship between price and supply in tabular form. Side heading: Supply curve. First point. A supply curve is a graphical representation of the supply schedule. Second point. It slopes upward from left to right, showing direct relationship between price and supply. Side heading: Supply function. First point. Supply function shows the relationship between supply and its determinants. Second point. It explains how price and other factors affect quantity supplied. Third point. Supply function. QS equals FP CTFN. Fourth point. Where QS means quantity supplied, P means price, C means cost of production, T means technology, F means factor prices, N means number of firms. Heading: Assumptions of the law of supply. Side heading: Constant cost of production. First point. Cost of production should remain unchanged. Second point. If costs change, supply behavior may change. Side heading: No change in technology. First point. Technology should remain constant during the period. Second point. Improvement in technology can increase supply. Side heading: Constant prices of factors of production. First point. Wages, rent, and interest should remain stable. Second point. Changes in factor prices affect supply. Side heading: No change in number of firms. First point. Number of producers in the market should remain constant. Second point. Entry or exit of firms changes total supply. Side heading: No government interference. First point. Government policies like taxes and subsidies should remain unchanged. Second point. Policy changes can affect production and supply. Side heading: No expectation of future price changes. First point. Producers should not expect future price changes. Second point. Expectations can affect current supply decisions.